Hello once again and welcome to my channel. Today I will share you the idea about the PNID line number. So what exactly a PNID is and what's the line number is given in the PNID. So basically the line number is not fixed in every project. It should be the same. It depends upon company to company how they gives the line number. Like it's not to be fixed. Like every project, every company is have a standard. Like it's not a standard part of the giving a line number. The line number should be anything. Depends upon company to company how they gives. So I just give the idea in the line number what things are comes. So like you can see a line number, okay, is I just make one sample line number. I just put it like 001, a size, fluid code, a sequence number, a spec, and an installation. So what is the line number stands and what the one things is described. So it's not compulsory. If I have a company, if I make a project, so it's not compulsory I have to put a unit code number. Okay, so like it's not compulsory, so we have to give unit code. It's compulsory or not there, it's depend upon company philosophy. Okay, so this is the basics line number I have just written over there. So like 001, so 001 is stand as a unit code. Okay, if you have some refinery, so it's divided into area, the area divided into unit. So this line number comes in 001. So 001 means that this line is at one unit. Okay, if you have some, most of the you have more area, like 1 area, 2 area, 4 area you have. So in 1 area you get 18 unit. So this line, this 001 is stand as this line is comes into a unit number 1. Then we goes to the line size. Line size is just common things like it will be whatever the as per the process they have selected the line size. So we are okay with the line size also. And comes to the CWS. So what is the CWS means? Because if we are the fresher, if we are the new to looking on the line number, so what CWS means? So we have legend. Okay, so this is a abbreviation. So from here we can know like what exactly CWS stand for. So like I know I have a good experience, so I know the CWS stand for cooling water supply. CWR is a cooling water return. The HWS hot water supply, HWR hot water return. So this is also comes into the fluid code, and we have to know the full abbreviation about the fluid code. So we can check out with the PNID legend sheets where they have give the idea about what is a fluid codes. It comes into their projects. So the next is 10111. This is a sequence number. Okay, so it's given by the process team who makes the PNID. So they gives the sequence number according to the unit code. Okay, according to the unit area unit. Okay, it's everything was totally depend upon them process person who make the sequence number. And next is a specification. The specification is basically a material. Okay, if I give this A10121, so this is one of the spec. It comes all the material which we'll use for this CWS fluid, like cooling water supply. So I use the product from this specification only. So I will not use another specification, because if I use another specification, if by mistakenly if I use A10135, so the 35 that spec is made for another material. So what happen if I have not used these? So everything will goes wrong when I go for my drawing will go for the checking. Okay, so by mistakenly I have done, I have used another spec. So the spec means is whatever you got the spec in your line number, So you have to use the same spec only, because the process person have decided, okay, for this fluid, okay, and then the material person also have decided this spec. So this fluid, this spec, the material will be for this fluid, okay. And then afterwards is the insulation. So insulation is given like, okay, for this line we have to use a insulation, so we need the size, okay. So what size we have to use for the insulation? So you will know that we have got a line list. From the line list we can get the insulation size. So this is the way it describes the line number, like 001 stand as a unit code. So is basically it's not fixed. It's not, the line number is not fixed. It should be like this way. The main things is comes in the line number is our size, line size is comes, fluid code will come, okay, spec will come, and sequence number is a compulsory, okay. These 4 to 5 items is comes sure short with this in the line number, but depends upon how it's give. Sometimes they don't give fluid code also. So okay, so it's like most probably it's like the line number is not fixed. How it should be any types of, it should not be like 001 unit code. It should be they put before, like if when you do any project, okay, if you go, you have to check with the legends. In the legends they have described about the line number, how they gives. Here I have put it unit number 001 first. In other project, in some other company, they put unit code number at a third position, or they put a fourth position also. But they describe by like giving the idea like, okay, this will come as a line size, this will come as a fluid code type, okay, and they will give you the idea in the legend sheets like how it should be. The line number are there, so how it will represent you. If we give you the idea like what it is, 01 for size, the size is there, the fluid code will be there, the sequence number, and the spec and the installation, okay. So this is just giving you the idea about the line number, how it should be. It should be in the PNID, so how you can go through the line number, okay. So when I will try to give you the idea how we can read a PNID, and a lot of things will come up with the small things. So this I given the idea about the line number, okay. The next I will try to make some idea about the PNID, how you can read, how you can understand, and what is the specification, and what is the line list, so what document is be required for making a piping. So how I can simplify you, give you the idea, okay. This is the abbreviation already you have seen, and this is just a size of the pipe, okay. The one side is given, from the left side is given you a inch, and the second one is given you the mm, and the third and the fourth is OD of that the pipe. So when you can see that 8 inch, 10 inch, 12 inch, 14 inch, so this is the inch is given, and this is the nominal bore is given. So like if I say 6 inch, so nominal bore will be the 150, and the 6 inch OD will be 6.625, and the nominal bore 150 OD it will be a 168.3. For the freshers, I recommend you have to go through the what is the inch size and what will the metric size, because it's very, you have to know, like if I say if 10 inch, so it should be, you have to know like the nominal bore will be 250, and you have to know about the OD also. Like if I say okay, nominal bore is 250, so what will be the OD of the pipe? So it should be on 273. So this is just today I have just given the idea about the line number. So you have to know, like it is not a fix, the line number everywhere should be same, but for the line number you can go through, you can check to the legend sheet, you will get the idea what the contents are stand for which position. So this is a way you can understand the line number, okay. And I will come up with some more video which help you to for the PNID understanding, the line list, what is the line list and what is the specification, and slowly I will come up with the equipment layout, the piping layout, and then what exactly equipments are used for Okay, so till then, thank you for watching my video.